Welcome back to Rust Order Garage. Back on the 61 Rambler Rock Box in the air, minus its frame, as you know. So, as you saw right there in the beginning of the video, the front two body mounts are fixed. That's it. I've already started, but now comes one of the worst jobs. At least I'm not sandblasting outside, which might have been a better idea. I don't know. But I'm gonna wire wheel this whole frame within reason so I can spray it black. So basically I'm just knocking off everything I can that I can get to that's loose, and then I will wipe it down with wax and grease remover, and we'll paint it. Just Tractor Supply. Is it Tractor Supply? Yeah, Tractor Supply. I have some matte black. I'm out of gloss, so I'll shoot it with matte black with a hardener. Just cheap paint. It'll do just fine. And yeah, it'll look like a decent frame after I'm all done. Just about ready for paint. A lot of tar on this frame, but I wiped it down with lacquer thinner after the wire wheeling, and that seemed to knock it off pretty good. A lot of it's just right down to bare metal now, and it's just about time for some paint. Make it look pretty. There we go. We got paint. Looks good. That's what I like to use. That's Tractor Supply matte black with a hardener, which gives it a little bit of eggshell look, which is, in my opinion, pretty nice for like a restoration black type color. I like to do inner fender wells with it and under hood and such. It comes out looking nice. I use gloss sometimes on frames, but really this is a nicer look. This is like what I did with the 56 Chevy truck too, but that one kind of, for some reason, that came out kind of blotchy, but it's a frame. It doesn't really matter. But looks good. I like it. All right, that'll be it for this. This will just be a quick update video. I gotta get cleaned up. I cleaned the gun, but I gotta clean myself up and clean up the mess in here and get this rolled inside to dry. So we come back, probably put the power tracks in the rear axle, and I gotta get that painted, and still gotta deal with this front springs and all that kind of mess. So that'll be a few days from now at least, probably another week. So we'll see when we get there. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for following this project, and thank you very much for subscribing. I need a shower. Later.